Hello, today you will learn about.
Hello, dear students. It is Claire, your online French teacher. I hope you are all doing well. In the previous episode, we looked at the basic tips on how to tell the time in French. Today we will continue with this same subject and go a little deeper. In this lesson, you will focus on how to express 12-hour clock times and how to say half past, quarter to, and past in French. Are you ready to go a step further in French? In the previous lesson we explored how to tell the 24-hour clock in French, but what about telling the time with the 12-hour clock? How do you know if you're talking about AM or PM? It's simple. In French, if we need to specify what time we're talking about, we use
Il est
followed by a number and then
heure
and we add
du matin,
refers to AM or
de l'après-midi,
refers to the hours from noon until 5 p.m. or
du soir,
refers to the hours from 6 p.m. until midnight. Example:
Il est 3 heures du matin.
It's 3 a.m.
Je vais à l'école à 3 heures de l'après-midi.
I go to school at 3 p.m.
Maman, il est 11 heures du soir.
Mum, it is 11 p.m. Usually, we don't need to be too precise when telling the time. If it's 3:29 p.m., for example, we may say it's 3:30 instead of it's 3:29, as the former sounds more casual. In French, we can do the same. To express half past, you use number of hours plus
heure
plus.
et demi.
Example: It is 6:30.
Il est 6h30.
It is 3:30.
Il est 3h30.
Note that you always need the word
Heure,
after the hour number, except for midnight and noon. The midnight is called
minuit,
and the noon is called
midi.
Example: It is midnight.
Il est minuit.
Quarter past. To express quarter past, you use number of hours plus
Heure
plus.
et quart.
Example:
Il est 7h15.
It is 7:15.
Il est minuit et quart.
It is 7:15 midnight. To tell minutes of the hour, that is, any time past the half-past mark, you must subtract minutes from the next hour that's coming on the clock. Subtract minutes from the hour using the word
Moins,
which means minus in English. To express quarter to, you use number of hours plus
heure,
plus.
moins le quart.
Example: It is 4:45.
Il est 5h moins le quart.
It is 11:45 or it is 12:45 noon.
Il est midi moins le quart.
One thing to note is that French grammar rules state that you can only use
Demi, quart, and moins le quart.
with the 12-hour clock. If using the 24-hour clock, you cannot use these words past the 12-hour mark. Instead, you must use
30, 15, and 45.
respectively. I hope you found this episode very useful and that you know when and how you should use half past, quarter past, and quarter to in French. If you have any concerns, you can then leave them in the comments and I will take care to come back to this concern. So take care of yourself.
À bientôt.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for next video.